When I'm very young, in later 70s, I like one RTR ready-to-run racing car very much. It is made by Japan. This is the Maserati Bora. This is a so nice vehicle. The early version with a digital radio control, and later one they improve. They give you another 2-channel stick radio control. And at that time, digital are very expensive. Both two of my collection, they are same band. It is 27 band 4. So you can see both radio control I can use. Digital. At the 77, digital radio control are very expensive. You can see it can adjust the position of the center, even the steering position. Later one, in 79, 80s, they changing the stick radio control. And the Maserati Bora, this is really a supercar at that time, mid-engine V8. It got 2 engines, 4.7 and 4.9. It is a mid-engine rear-wheel drive. 0 to 100 just need a 4.7 or 4.9 second. Thank you for watching.